Welcome to our guide on setting up a home network. In this video, we'll explore the importance and benefits of having a home network. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need equipment like a modem, a router, and some cables to get connected. Next, choosing the right internet service provider is crucial. Consider factors like speed, cost, and customer support. Now, let's set up your modem. Follow these simple steps to ensure a successful installation. With your modem set up, it's time to configure your router. Access the settings page with your web browser and follow along. Securing your network is vital. Use strong passwords and enable encryption to keep your data safe. Now, let's connect your devices. We'll walk you through linking computers, smartphones, and smart devices. Don't worry if things go wrong. We'll cover common issues and basic fixes to get you back online. Maintaining your network is just as important. Follow these best practices for optimum performance and security. Thank you for watching. We've covered the essentials of setting up a home network. Now, go out and explore the world of networking.